I bought 15 boxes of Disney mystery pins from BoxLunch during their Black Friday sale. I've never bought mystery pins before, and I've never done an unboxing video before, so let's see how this goes. So first off, let me show you what I ordered. I got 3 each of 5 different kinds, and they were all either 50% or 60% off, depending, and they all had the same sticker price of $12.90 each, so yikes. That's why I like to buy them on sale. So first off, we have these cute little character Loungefly mini backpacks. I think the only one out of this one that I would keep is the Donald, probably. And then these adorable little Up characters holding the balloons. And we have Kevin, Carl, Doug, Russell, Ellie, and I think that's Kevin's babies. And these are so cute. I think I would probably keep these. And these were the best deal because this is actually 2 pins each. And it costs the same. So you get 2 pins, but they'll be a matching set. And so here we have a princess and then her animal. And so we have Jasmine, Tiana, Cinderella, Belle, Ariel, and Mulan. And then next we've got these bigger pins, and they were the same price too, but we got these cute Winnie the Pooh pins with Pooh, Piglet, Eeyore, Tigger, Roo, or Owl. And then lastly, we have my favorite, the Fantasia set. Fantasia and Alice in Wonderland, I think, are my favorite Disney animated movies. So we've got these pins, and I only ordered 3. I know I probably should have ordered 6, but then I probably would have gotten 6 brooms because that's just my luck. And I don't know, maybe we still got 3 brooms. Like, wouldn't it be hilarious if, like, all of them were just 3 of the same one for every single set? Like, I think that would be really funny, and it's a good thing I really just want these for trading, because this is why I don't really like to do mystery boxes, because I've heard of that happening to people. But I'm really excited to see what we're going to find, so let's get to opening. So first I'm going to start with the little Loungefly backpacks. Now, you can trade any officially licensed Disney pin at the parks. So even though I didn't get these at a Disney park, they're from BoxLunch. You can still trade them in the parks. So here's the first one. A Donald, which is the one I really wanted. So I'm going to save this one. It's so cute. These are nice. They're nice and smooth. And they're all gold on the back. Now for the second backpack. And it is another Donald. Is what I hoped going to come true? Are we just going to get like the same of all of them? Because it's really fine if it is. I think it probably makes a better video. But this is what's annoying about buying mystery boxes, especially when you order them, because they could all be from the same lot and you could just get the same thing over and over again. So this is the last of the backpacks. Oh, it's different. It's a daisy. So I'm happy with that. I'll probably keep, I don't know if I'll keep the daisy or if I will trade it away. I'll probably trade it away. I'll probably just keep the Donald, but it's really cute. These are a really cute series. Okay, so now we're going to do the Up balloon series, and these are all so cute. So I think these are probably my favorite after the Fantasias. So I might just want to keep these. The first one we have, we have Carl. Oh, and the balloons are translucent, which is what I hoped they would be. You really couldn't tell online or on the box, but yeah, you can see through the balloons. They're kind of like stained glass. That's really nice. I like that. Okay, so we got Carl for the first one, and now here's the second one. And it's Russell. So at least it's not another Carl. This one's cute. It's got different colors than Carl's. These are a little more earth toned. And Carl's were a little more jewel toned. And for our third Up balloon, we got Carl and a Russell. And we got another Carl. So we got 2 of the same, just like we did with the backpacks. So got another Carl. So that's good. I've got 2 to keep and 1 to trade for that one. I was really hoping for Doug in that pack, though, I have to say. Now, these are going to be fun because this one you actually get 2 pins, so this was a really good deal. It's not going to be like 2 different pins. They go together as a set. And in this one, you can get, it's Jasmine, Tiana, Cinderella, Belle, Ariel, or Mulan. So it's the first one of these. It's heavier. You can definitely tell there's 2 pins in here. It is Belle. So we got Belle, and on the chair is Lumiere. These are really nice. They're actually, they're bigger than I expected. I just thought that these were going to be, the up balloons were actually smaller than I was expecting. But these are bigger than I was expecting. So these are really nice. These were a really good deal. Now for the second Disney Princess Tea set. What do they call it? Like Princess Tea Party. And I guess it is a tea party because she's got her little friend at the chair next to her. Is it going to be another Belle? Nope, it's not a Belle. It is Ariel. It's just kind of hard to see. The green is not as vibrant as it looks on the package, but it's Ariel, and Sebastian is on the chair. Very cute. These are nice. I like this. So, and the Ariel one, she's got a little teapot and little sandwiches and cupcakes and flowers and tea. These are really detailed. And then on the chair, Sebastian is just smiling. These are cute. These are really nice. Let's see if I can get some more of these. Now for the last Princess Tea Party. Is it going to be like the last 2? Place your bets, you guys. It's another Belle. It's another Belle and Lumiere. Oh, this is funny. So I've got 2 that I could keep and 1 to trade, or I might just trade all of these. These are nice. I think a lot of people would really like these. But the Belle is very pretty. She's got a different little setup than Ariel does, and she's got the enchanted rose and a teapot, but it's not Mrs. Potts, but it's shaped like her, and Chip. Lumiere on the chair. These are nice. The tea party, the table ones are really quite heavy. Okay. So that's the end of the little Loungefly pins, and now we're going to start on these bigger pins, and we're going to start with the Winnie the Pooh set, and in this set we can get Pooh, Piglet, Eeyore, Tigger, Roo, or Owl. I've never done this before, so bear with me. These are bigger, and they're in a white bag. So we have Roo. These are really cute, and these have a little, like a clear, I don't know what you call it, like acrylic, so you can see through them too. And it's got this a ring of branches and mushrooms and leaves and acorns. And then there's little bees printed on the acrylic on the see-through part. That's really cute. This is a really large pin. Like these are really nice. And they cost the same at, like, let me show you for comparison. Like here's the backpack and here's this. And these were the same price. Winnie the Pooh number 2. It's going to be a Roo. Nope. Eeyore. It's Eeyore. Eeyore's my favorite. I know I shouldn't be this happy for an Eeyore, but I am. This one's really cute. It's got a very similar border to Roo's. And then he's got also bees painted on the clear acrylic part. And he's looking up and he's happy. And that's so cute. I'm definitely keeping that one. Okay. Last Winnie the Pooh. What do you think? Eeyore or Roo? I want Owl. I want this one to be Owl. And it is... It's Roo. It's another Roo. I mean, it's really cute. I'm going to trade it, but it's another Roo. It's Fantasia time. Fantasia's my favorite. I bet it's going to be 3 broomsticks. I'm thinking 3 broomsticks. I hope it's 3 Chernobyls, but it's probably 3 broomsticks. These are special for the 85th anniversary of Fantasia, which was released in 1940. For the first one, I don't think it's a broomstick. I think it's the alligator. Yep. Yeah. It is Ben Alligator. And this is a really nice pin too. There's just not much to him, but it's a really big pin. Oh, it's a two prong. So, oh, this one's, it's really nice. It's really well made. Yeah, I really like this. These are nicer than I thought they were going to be, actually. You can see he's got the little, the feather in his head, on his head. That's nice. And so the ones that it could be out of this one are Sorcerer Mickey, the Broomstick, the Gator, Mademoiselle Upanova, which I did not know that that was her name before, the ballet ostrich, Chernobog, and Hyacinth Hippo. I knew the names of the hippo and the gator, but I didn't know the ostrich's name. Okay, so did we get 3 alligators? Come on. Fantasia number 2. It's not looking good. Another gator. Yeah. It's another gator. Okay. Well, I'm gonna trade that one. I'm glad I didn't buy 6 of these now. You see why. It's happening. Okay, so this is the very last one. For all of these other ones, for the Loungefly backpacks, the Up, the Princess Tea set, the Winnie the Pooh, we got 2 of the same and 1 different. And I've already gotten 2 gators in the Fantasia one. I do not have high hopes. I think this one might be different. This one feels different. I think it's different. Yeah, this one's different. Okay. Don't be the broomsticks. Please don't be the broomsticks. It's Sorcerer Mickey! This one's like kind of in the middle for me. But this is a really nice pin though. Like this is, it's really big. Like this is, these are much larger. These and the Winnie the Pooh pins are much larger than the ones you generally see on pin boards at the parks. So, I mean, these are really going to stand out on pin boards. And frankly, these are a lot more worth the money than like the Loungefly pins. I mean, like really like sticker price, these were the same price. You know, I mean, come on. So, really wanted a Chernobog. I guess maybe I should have bought 6. And then I would have got 6 gators still, probably. I really like the Sorcerer Mickey, though. I like it better than I thought I would. These Fantasia pins are bigger and nicer than I thought they were going to be. I really don't have any experience with these BoxLunch pins. So here are all of the pins that we opened tonight. And I'm going to keep a couple of them. Like I'm going to keep the Eeyore and the Mickey and the Donald backpack. But I'll probably just trade the rest of them at the parks. I like to just leave them on the pin boards. And I just think it's really funny that every set had the exact same result. Although, you know, I guess technically in the Fantasia pack, for most of these, you could have multiples of them, and that's still accurate to the movie because the dancers all had multiples of them, and obviously there's a lot of the brooms. So I guess, you know, you can take all of your duplicates and make your own little Fantasia tableau. But I've been pin trading for a few years now, and I try to buy real pins to trade. So I tend to just stock up on pins when things are on sale, like at the Disney outlet, or sometimes from Shop Disney. Although pin deals are getting harder and harder to find. So these were such a good deal on the Black Friday sales. They ended up being like either like they were around about $5.50 to $6.50 for each box, and especially for the ones that were 2 pins, they were a really great deal. And I just decided that it would be fun to just do 3 each of different ones and see what I get, because I've never done the mystery pins before, and I see why I haven't done the mystery pins before. It can be disappointing if there's something that you really want, but if you mostly want them for traders, then it's just kind of a fun way to get some inexpensive trading pins. Well, I had fun, and I hope you enjoyed my first foray into mystery pin boxes. And I think my results were pretty funny. I can't believe that I got 2 of the same and 1 different in all 5 sets. I just think that's really funny. So I know I don't usually do videos like this. If you'd like to see me do more videos like this, you can leave a comment. Or if you'd like to subscribe and see more of my hotel room tours and travel videos and history videos, that would be very nice of you. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!